So now, topic moral and ethics today and tomorrow. You see, ethics, of course, according to different religious tradition, then ethic very much related with religious faith. But generally speaking, I always say talking. You see, according Indian tradition, secular, not necessarily related with religious belief. Whether believer or non-believer, that's personal matter, different question. Now here we are talking about humanity. At practical level, now here on this planet, around 7 billion human beings. We are same human being. We have to live together on this planet. So now, sometimes in the past, you see several years, you see we human being, you see too much involve violence, war, and a lot of money, time spent for making a weapon. That's unfortunate. We human being, basically social animal. Now some scientists say social animal because their existence depend on their group. So by birth, social animal, also the sense of community, sense of group, always there. We human being, also social animal. So from the childhood, you see, depend our own survival, our own happiness depend on people, the group, firstly family, then your own sort of group, like that. So now, that's basic nature. We have the sense of community or sense of also the friendship. From the childhood, we have. Now, sometimes, you see, we see very nature of human being or also the sense of community become lesson. And then a small group, we and they, and then fight, killing. So that thinking, very, also the uncivilized thinking. We are social animal, and particularly now today's world, the entire 7 billion human beings, their future depend on each other. No longer, you see, the strong concept of we and they. We all 7 billion human beings are we. We have to live together, helping each other. So now, ethics, you see, taking sense of concern, of well-being of all our human brothers, sisters. That is the basis of ethics. We are not talking about next life or according to religious believer about God, or for Buddhist about Buddha. You see, that is something individual matter. We, as a human being, you see, we need sense of brotherhood, sisterhood, and we should realize we have to live together on this planet, then it is much better, happily, friendly, compassionately, like that. So I always is talking, we really need warm-heartedness. Now, and now on top of our sort of problem or suffering, now global warming, that also one additional problem. So now such circumstances, now we 7 billion human beings must live together happily. No need to weapon. No must change the concept of war, fighting, killing. So now we really need, at the practical level also, we need a peaceful world on the basis of concept oneness of 7 billion human beings. So I believe the Latvian brothers, sisters, you also have great potential, make a contribution regarding promotion of oneness of 7 billion human beings and live together and a sense of brotherhood, sisterhood.
에스토니아다, 리투아니아 숨자요리요. 이제 발틱 스테이트
가.
숨요리.
Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, right? So I have been these 3 countries since, childhood. I found, read pictorial books, and then there's a book about Second World War. I look, and then Baltic states, 3 Baltic states, the big nations' exploitation. So then later I have the opportunity to visit. I feel very happy. Now things are changing. So now moral ethics is I think, the ultimate source of happiness among the humanity. And I emphasize we need sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. We have to live together on this planet. Now concept of war is outdated. Making weapon, outdated. Waste of money. Like that. So now.
Что? Не
Okay.
надо, дочь, не переставай.